English, English, English. Ooh. English, English, English.
Got one. British people are famously keen on kind of playing down everything, underestimating everything. So there could be a hurricane outside, and somebody will say, "It's a bit windy, isn't it? It's a bit windy, isn't it?" Note the "isn't it," the tag question tag at the end. It's a bit windy, isn't it? What else might they say? It's a bit breezy. It's a bit breezy, isn't it? It's a bit breezy today. Now, if it's really kind of force 10 typhoon, people might just go as far as saying, it's blowing a gale. It's blowing a gale. And you will only say this when the roof is about to fly off the top of your house, you know. There you go. So we've had cold, we've had hot, we've had rain, and we've had wind. Is there anything else?